Hello everyone, if your Xfinity Wi-Fi isn't connecting or keeps dropping on your PC, I'll show you how to fix this step by step. So make sure firstly your Xfinity gateway or modem is powered on and all cables are securely connected. Look for the Wi-Fi and online indicator lights. If they're off or red, there's likely an outage or hardware issue. Also guys, often a quick restart may fix many issues. So you just power off your gateway and your PC with 30 seconds and then replug and power back on. Also check if other devices can connect to the Wi-Fi. If they can, the issue is likely with your PC. If no devices can connect, it may be a gateway or service problem and you'll need to contact Xfinity support for that. Also, some fix on PC is going into your settings, then network and internet, then Wi-Fi, then no networks, and in here choose a network that is your main, double click and click on forget, and then you add a network and just type in the name, and if you have of course a password, then you type in the password as well, all the same. Also you can open up your device manager, find your network adapter right over here, say this Wi-Fi adapter, you right click and press on update driver and search automatically. And make sure that the latest drivers are installed. And if nothing helps, contact Xfinity support. So it's going to be right over here on this page. You can chat with Xfinity Assistant in here to answer your questions 24/7. And following these steps should get your Xfinity Wi-Fi working again. And if this helped, like and subscribe for more Windows and networking tutorials. See you soon.